Well, he would have been gone well before that. He was supposed to leave at 10.
Yeah, what are we spinning?
No, 10. We were on the road. We obviously were at the house at 7.
Hey, it goes by itself.
He went inside and got some cereal, and I guess he didn't want to wake
That's
up.
good, Sammy.
That's good.
You probably just missed him.
Wait. Go to the third basket.
How long am I going to be?
Right.
Oh, we're in the middle of Matt at the CSA farm
We
that
need
we're working in. Probably another hour.
Let it dry.
Yeah, these white ones are kind of mixing and then
Okay, just leave it. You want to just leave it in the car? Sure.
This is all the garbage.
I've got some checks and I'll put it together and get it to you or leave it in the car. Oh, by the window. I'll just bring it in the other. Okay? I'm in the, I got my hands in the water and
But
stuff.
this stuff here is throwaway, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that was what date was that? The 13th?
I agree.
Okay, I'll look at the date now, but probably yes. Unless you just want
Did
to
you
wait
get
for
your
January.
T-shirt in basket?
I didn't.
Did Andreas?
What?
Did Andreas?
Why don't we just
No.
work on
No,
January
definitely not.
and
Okay,
then
then before you go, we'll get you that.
Oh, really? I didn't think it was still an option.
No, they're right over there.
I thought I just
Okay.
Do you know where forfeited it.
No, definitely not. We want them taken.
Thanks.
Hey, Angela, the singers have arrived. Everybody, we're going to be entertained, right, girls? Well, look at this harvest. You should see what they're doing here.
What are we doing?
They're cleaning the lettuce. It's
Look how beautiful
yeah,
it
it is totally phenomenal.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
We're very organized today. I'm glad you guys still came even though it's raining. We're actually thinking of using this, if they'll allow us to. We're going to clean this up and ride in here.
This?
Yeah. What do you think of that? Nice and clean, right?
Yeah.
It's got to be cleaned out. They'll power wash it. I can tell you're all excited about that. Let's look at what Brian has thought of for us to do. The old manure spreader. Because what?
All of our stuff went fit on the golf cart.
Exactly. So we're going to use this actually, Angela.
Oh, that'll be perfect.
If they'll let us. We got to clean it out.
That'll be perfect.
And they're going to pull it with that. It'll look like a red sleigh. We'll decorate it with sleigh bells and lights, candles.
Love it. That'll be great.
And Valerie's going to drive it with the bunny suit. And actually, I don't know if you've met their neighbor, Dorian. He has these two horses, a mother and a baby. And he had them over here today. They have reindeer ears on. He's riding around with them. So she asked if she could borrow the reindeer ears for her rabbit costume. But
Yes, that's
you should see
perfect.
these horses. They're so beautiful. I asked him to come back over because I took pictures, but I didn't videotape it. And I was like, I want to videotape it.
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. This looks perfect.
I know. I just have to ask her, and hopefully it'll be fine with her. I went to the meeting this week, and you know, we kind of have an assigned space according to how much space I said we would need. But now this is a little bit longer, so hopefully that won't be a problem.
No, because if you do they can do it on your
Well, yeah, it's just a matter of having reserved that space,
Oh,
though.
I see what you're saying.
So do you need electricity to set up right now? I guess. All right, let me call Brian. Can I use your phone to call Brian so we can get them electricity somehow? Or you ask him. Tell him to come over or something.
You want to bring this over?
This rain.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi. I didn't read the email, but I did know
Oh, for the
about
parade.
meeting.
Got it?
I found a
Oh,
white
look at
rabbit.
that. Excellent. You know what we're going to do now? We're going to pull, if we can, if they let us, we're going to take this tractor behind you, and we're all going to fit in there. We're gonna decorate
So
it
we
though.
can put him up
Wonderful.
there. I'll leave him here.
Wonderful. Absolutely
You
great.
know, I had actually gotten him for the gal who comes on the motorcycle on Tuesday morning.
Oh yeah.
And she wasn't here last week because she said she wanted one.
Oh, the rabbit.
On the back
Oh right. That's
It's
right.
$1 in the foot.
Wow.
But if they want it here, because she doesn't know that.
That is phenomenal. Yes, please leave it here.
Okay, that's there.
Great.
And then were we still going to do hats with ears? Because I just finished making some ears. I found this out at
Wonderful.
the
Are you a
thrift
sewer?
store. Not really.
Because
no, these are
Brian is going to
glue.
wear stilts, and he has. You glued those and made those. Wonderful. Look at
From
that.
Walmart. And now I have to figure out how to get him to stay in the hat
You know what? Oh, in the
without
hat.
poking in my
Let me
head.
back up here. Excellent. Here, can you? Hey, Valerie. I'll have to show her.
What's he doing?
We're trying to get Brian over now because they need electricity and they can do a little rehearsal here.
Oh, but what were you saying? He's going to wear stilts,
Oh, stilts.
and
And be
sewing.
it like a tall farmer.
Yeah.
But he
so
has
you
like
need long
overalls that will go down to probably the top of the stilts, but we need to add extensions.
pants. Oh, I have his machine. I can sew.
That would be wonderful because Valerie is saying she's a terrible sewer.
But does anybody have old jeans? We
She
can
even
cut
has
the
a machine.
legs off.
Yeah, we can get you the material. We just need help sewing it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's very basic.
And then I was going to put bells on it. I've got more
Yeah,
bells.
excellent. And we'll talk about the candles.
Why not use carrots?
Carrots?
Yeah, the wind's going to blow the candles out.
Just hold carrots?
Isn't that simpler?
Or yeah, we could hold turnips. Except it'll be dark. So we're trying to get some light into our but yeah, we could
around
attach do
Oh,
what?
and I'm making a tail with
Oh,
the
excellent.
leftover.
Excellent. And then
But
what are you
nobody
going to wear
will see
for
it
a
there.
shirt?
Well, I don't know. That's what I wanted to find out. If
I know,
we're going to
'cause-
be coordinated.
I
or
know
whatever we
exactly. Like
want.
if we should wear Planet Organic shirts.
Unless it's cold.
Right. Yeah. and We'll talk about that. And here's the back of one. Very quickly. Just let it dry. It takes a few seconds, a minute or so. He's gonna come storming in, but there's no room. There's no room in the inn. There's no room in the inn.
There's no make room in the end. I have more kale to do.
Sammy, careful. Stay over this.
Oh, is this yours, son?
Yeah. Make sure you don't drop any on the ground. Be extra careful.
Let me do a big mix real quick.
Yeah. Oh,
And you
okay.
had your son there.
Okay, you recognize him.
No,
Oh.
just that she said that's your son.
Oh, yeah.
But I remembered there was a young boy there.
Yes. Sammy, keep it over a basket or something.
That's your lunch.
Okay, I got some
What
more.
an assembly line we have going today.
Angela.
Hi, Angela. This is my husband, Roberto.
Hi, Roberto. Nice to meet you. You guys have done quite a stellar
I know.
job today.
This is an assembly line today.
You haven't
We
been
came
here?
for the meeting.
They're here for the Christmas parade. She made bunny ears and you want to show her?
Now I have to figure out how to attach the hat.
A beach squash and one lettuce mix, I think, and there's. We weren't expecting
Onions,
kale, but she
onions.
said that we could divide this up
Well,
amongst ourselves.
plus kale should be mixed in with the lettuce
No,
mix.
what she did is little tender kale was mixed in, and then she told me to pick the bigger kale for
Okay.
steaming. and
All right.
So this is steaming.
This hasn't been picked over yet for.
Oh, so also
No,
Okay, go ahead, pick it. Wow. Look at that radish. It's a good one. I mean, turnip. That was a turnip. I gotta go with Rainy. How's that taste? Good, right?
You can eat the skin. I peel.
Oh yeah, no, we just eat them like an apple. Of course, they get a little spicy. That size, you know, it'll be hard to finish. That's spicy. And now those are good leaves, but you can give them to the pigs if you want. But they're good to eat. But we have a lot, so I don't know. But don't leave them on the ground, though, Sandy. Put them in that bucket. 8.
Susan, if you can tell.
Very good.
Well, Mark.
Are you noticing anything?
What's that?
Are you noticing anything? Or is it easy to, you know?
I'm noticing damage. I notice some of them have aphids. Notice a lot of stink bugs.
Oh, really? Any other kinds?
There was one I never saw before. I've got them drowned down there.
Like a single one?
Yeah. Let's see what he is later.
Okay. You're spraying with aphids with peppermint oil soap and fertilizing with fish emulsion on the mustard greens and turnips. And let's just see if I can find some damage, some aphids. Let's see. Here is aphids. Where?
The aphids are underneath the leaves.
I know, they're all on the underneath, right there they are. Aphids sucking the sap out of the mustard greens. Yes.
That's what makes it hard. I mean, you're not really seeing them because they're underneath the leaves.
Yeah, that's why.
So to be able to get them, you got to work underneath.
Totally.
Just lift the branches.
And let's see the size of these turnips.
Monsters.
Those are kind of smaller ones, but there's some turnips where. Okay, turnips. December 2nd. These are snow peas. Peppers. Oh, some black peppers. Basil. Beets. Potatoes. New lettuce. Scallions. Lettuce. Green leaf, red leaf. Cabbage. Tomatoes. Nasturtium. Tomatoes, dandelion.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, você prova-me felicidade. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, você prova-me felicidade. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry
I guess it's loud enough.
from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Everyone felicidad. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Today is December 23rd.
How you doing there, Susan?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I'll talk to you in a second. I gotta just get some updated footage. This is just about ready, this film.
Oh yeah?
I don't think I need much more. Purple beans are all gone.
Hey there.
Hey, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Tearing out the beans,
I read
huh?
on the
Oh, yeah.
email that you guys had a bunch.
What did you say?
Are you still like behind in one thing?
I don't think so, no. But you know what? What's happening is harvesting is taking up the whole shift almost. And now we have to weigh everything too. So to wait too long in the shift means, you know, sometimes.
How did Saturday morning go? We were just saying we were sorry we missed it.
Oh, my talk?
Yeah.
Oh, it went excellent. I'm going to have a part 2. I'm going to keep identifying things out here. And actually, I'm going to start moving them to a location where they can be labeled and viewed in like.
Which herbs did you talk about?
Well, let me finish doing this and then I'll come back. Tomatoes, tills. Yeah. No, but what's happening is at the end of the shift, people are leaving and all the stuff is sometimes getting stuck in the hanger and it's still having to be weighed and it's really requiring an extra half hour or so to finish it up.
I've stayed an extra half hour the last several weeks, but I'm planning to stay significantly longer today because from the email that you sent and few people turning out last Thursday. There's some needs out here.
Yeah, so I'll talk to her in a second and see.
Okay, yeah. Just let me know when you're ready.
Well, he's working on something in the treehouse. I told him you were here, and oh, look what you got! Stink bugs. Let me see. You know what? I got to tell you something. Let me see this one. Because there's some baby ladybugs. What? Oh, the stink bugs you could kill. Those that we don't want those. But there's some baby ladybugs that look like caterpillars. There's some baby ladybugs that we identified that look like caterpillars, so I have to point those out. If you find any other bugs, they're kind of different looking. But we found out they were baby ladybugs.
I haven't seen it in a long time. I'm sorry.
That, you know, you wouldn't believe how some of the herbs in the field are more nutritional than what we're growing.
Well, I'm sorry. We had to go out of town for Christmas family.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I was busy last week.
Yeah, go ahead. Look for bugs, absolutely. Come over here and do it though on these vegetables. Because those are, we don't need to worry about that field right now, but you can look for bugs over here. Come on, you know where there's bugs? Come down here, let's look at the potatoes. These are snow peas. You want to see what a snow pea looks like? Here's one. See right here. This. You can eat that. Taste it. Right, come here, follow me though.
There's a snow pea wrestler and it's funny.
Yeah, I know down here in the potatoes, I think they're way down here. these are the potatoes. So,
Ladybug.
but ladybugs are good, but let me see.
Hey, look.
Hey, I gotta show you what a baby ladybug looks like. This
Hey,
is a
look.
bad guy.
1,000
What? What are they?
ladybugs.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And is that the baby ladybug?
Where?
Right there.
No, that's not. Let me try to find it. There or
Hey, look how big that one
yeah.
is.
That ladybug, where is it?
It's right there. It's huge.
Point again with your finger. Point again. Stay there. Oh, there he is.
What are the red animals here?
Red animals. Insects.
Yeah.
There. And where's it? Where's the other? Oh, there's one down there. Yep. So lots of ladybugs and babies
Hey,
on
here's
the
a tiny one.
potatoes.
Here's
This
a tiny one. Look.
Oh yeah. Here he is. Yep. All right. So those are actually good. So let's move someplace where there's some bad things that you should be picking off. Let's go find those. Let's go over to the other side. We'll look over there.
Over there.
No, over here. We'll cross over. Where those people are all working. 7 minutes left. More, oh, that's so wonderful. Got all those baby ladybugs.
Why is it good that baby? Hey, this is a fat one. Fat one.
Really dock. This is a plant. This herb here, you can eat this plant. It's very nutritious. It's called curly dock or yellow dock.
I don't.
There's a whole bunch of it growing here. And we got another plant I'm supposed to find. I'll have to
Sammy
look.
is there.
This is pigweed. Pigweed is good to eat too.
Is it over where the flowers are?
Yes, we're gonna go look over there. That's a good idea. Let's go over there. Let's cross over. Don't step on any plants.
How are you?
Good. How are you? I'll be down there in a
Barney's falling
second.
down and these are.
All right. So here's nasturtium, which we learned is also called watercress. Very high. All right. Let's look. There's that pigweed again. All right. Let me cross over.
Are they in here?
We're gonna look. This is a tomato. Here, let's just. You know what? Actually, this plant probably doesn't have any bugs because this plant can take care of itself. It doesn't usually get any bugs. But let's
Look
go
at
down.
this huge one.
Yeah, that's let's go look at a little further down this way.
What about the red flowers?
There's tomatoes. Tomato plants, they might start getting some bugs. We could look there. The dandelion, so out of control. Now the tomato plants, they look good right now. We'll have to keep an eye on them.
But there's
Bugs like tomato plants. How about here? Come over here. I bet you there's some in this stuff. This is arugula.
there's a bunch of flies.
We gotta check actually under the leaves.
Hey, a ladybug.
See another ladybug?
It's not a big. Hey, look! I just saw. There's like a stick. It looks like a stick bug, but it wasn't.
Turn over underneath. You know what? There's tiny bugs that sometimes are hard to see.
Hey, there's a there's something that looks like a fly.
We're looking for bugs. See any bugs? Oh, really? Kind of like ladybugs? I know there's a lot of ladybug babies. It went excellent. I'm going to do a part 2 because I'm going to keep identifying maybe moving them section, labeling them. That's what I want to do. I'm going to make a pamphlet out of it as I add it. And then, because I had to compile like 20 different information. There really wasn't specific important stuff. So, yeah.
What's that kind of white worm?
Oh boy, we saw it somewhere getting around here with the.
There's carrots.
Yes, she looks like she's doing. Let's look. Our first carrot.
Don't get pulled randomly now. Going around and I'm seeing she helps kind of go like that. She's got a fairly good size. See, that's pretty little, so we're gonna leave that one. See this one right here?
Look where she's pointing, Jonas.
See how big that is? And then you just make sure it has a little bit of size to it.
So these are the, what were they called? Rainbow carrots? No. They were? Rainbow carrots? I know we have rainbow chard. There's rainbow carrots too.
Rainbow chard.
Yeah, but. Wow. So, how long did that end up taking? December 23rd. I have it written down somewhere, but right here. Oh yeah. I wrote it down.
I found a fat one, but it's tiny.
Oh, well, make sure that you're watching. You gotta make sure that the top is probably at least as big as a quarter at least.
See there, the couple little legs.
All right, Jonas, hold on now. Can't pull everyone. That's that one.
Yeah, it's about that's a I have a quarter in the car.
Okay, try it. Pull it. Pull. Oh, that's kind of small. All right, we'll take that for now, but next time we'll look for something bigger then. He said, what do they do now?
Come on over here. We're going to start doing a little harvesting of carrots here.
Carrots are ready.
Well, not all of them. There's going to be a few ones over there. Carrots.
All right, Jonas, hold on now. Get Valerie to say if that's okay.
See what I'm doing?
Look! It's like a bin or something.
Yeah, just leave that one. What we're doing is we're going around, and what I do is I just go around. See that one's too small right there. It's pretty skinny.
Okay, yeah.
I'm just going in, wait until they, have a fairly fat head here.
Bigger than a quarter. Then.
Hey, there's
So
a lady.
just kind of just start going through here.
You would say bigger than a quarter, right? Bigger than a quarter?
Yeah, but these are, Florida carrots don't get real long like California, because we don't have the snow for it, so they tend to be shorter anyway.
I found a ladybug.
So why don't you guys start at that end, and you just pull them off.
And a ladybug?
Yeah, it's right there.
What are we looking for here? I missed that.
Carrots.
I know, but I mean
Come
how?
on over here.
Bigger than a quarter on the
What you
head.
do is you go in here and you just kind of just pull the dirt around it a little bit, and see if there has any size to it. Like that looks like fairly decent size. So you go down and you pull it. So if they're real skinny, you don't pull it.
All right.
Carrots. One off there.
Have a carrot.
Pull straight up there, okay, John?
Okay.
And I tell you what.
What the weed? Oh, you got lots of ladybugs in
Weed
there.
as you go too. If you see some weeds in there, go
Okay,
ahead
Jonas, I'll help you, all right?
and, just hand pull the weeds here.
No.
This
So you
is
want
a
to jump
weed.
in here,
Yes,
Hello?
that's a weed.
Well,
Kind
if
of
there's
randomly.
something else, if there's somewhere else you'd like to point us, I had
Here,
a few. I
here's
had a
some, maybe.
casualty here when I was weeding, so I figured I'd just put them in the
think-
harvest basket.
Well, don't do that one because the
Hey, I
ladybug.
see a ladybug, yes, right
Yeah,
there. Good.
Oh,
Yes, is that the third planting in that?
Yeah.
Okay, I've been writing it down. I was just going to write down 1, 2, and 3.
Second planting.
Yeah, right.
And we're cutting off the
All right, so you want us to be harvesting some carrots,
Yeah, we need to go ahead and do some carrots.
or is there somewhere else you want to put us?
Well, the cucumbers and squash need to be picked.
Oh,
off the
you
street.
haven't been over to that side, have you? Okay, we'll do that.
Okay, if you want to do that. I can tell you right now, there won't be much yellow in zucchini. It's just about finished up.
Okay.
The cucumbers, are probably some cucumbers over there.
Okay.
And we're low on cucumbers in the cooler, so we need to do that. Today's
All right.
the day to harvest anyway. So.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Work on that. We'll do carrots here.
I'm gonna go back with my mom.
All right, thanks, Jonas. You did great.
Not much bigger than that because it's still fairly young. When the bigger they get, the tougher they get. So,
Okay, so I'll go get some pumpkins.
so we need like here. This is you can still pick it, but I like to let those another 2 days and they'll be ready. They're real tough to see. This you really got to adjust your eyes to. I can't wear sunglasses when I do that.
You know where they go when I'm done?
We'll put them in a bin in the cooler, and we also have to count how many there are.
Okay.
Like count each carrot,
Okay.
and then there's a logbook. She has to record things in for keeping on top of that. That definitely looks beautiful. There's the purple bean.
Your food? There it is. Got it pretty much sorted so they were about the same size.
So how are you liking the CSA experience?
It's been very good for us. The kids love coming out.
Where's my
play.
bag?
They actually really work.
Yeah.
Not so much today. They didn't.
Well,
you know, we
Jonas
didn't have-
did. He picked the first carrots. I
Yeah.
filmed him picking them.
I think they only worked about 30 minutes today because they didn't have a clear direction of what to do next.
No, he was collecting the bugs still, and he picked carrots.
Yeah, and Sophie and Harrison, Aaron, and Emily all worked on pulling up the purple bean plants and getting all the beans off.
Yeah, we're going to start working with Treasure Coast Elementary School and helping them put a garden in for their
Great
3rd to
idea.
5th graders. And actually, they're not the only school. There's several schools who want to start doing that at the school site.
Okay, I'm going to count now so you can't talk to me. I counted that as 2.
Huh?
Look at that.
Yeah. This is one Jonas pulled out that broke a little bit, but for the most part, that's good. 94 for the first harvest.
Did I take these?
Okay, so I'll show you.
Just put them in this basket.
So, are these burgundy ones a different, I mean, they're just
They're called rainbow carrots.
rainbow carrots?
There's one white one. Here's the one white
Yeah, one white one.
There should be some purple ones, really.
Well, I guess
That
that's
would-
kind of
one
a
looks
purpley.
Yeah.
almost like
Oh,
a
yeah.
beet. There's a couple of them.
Yeah.
I was starting to get a headache and now it's going away.
I know. Come out here and you won't get a headache anymore. True. All right, so here's the cooler. Okay. See if this will show up. You turn on the light. Come in and then close the door.
Oh, I'm gonna double check my carrot work.
Yeah, except this one.
Okay.
You see the expiration date on the front?
But that's okay.
Under Bunny Bucks?
Do I see the expiration date? Conley membership. Okay, valid from, okay.
But I'm also writing down on the back of the coming week. I wrote down like just for my own inventory to say was this person, you know, just to see who's picking up weekly and stuff like that.
Okay.
But so you write down on the back, which directions are also on that board if you forget.
Right.
Whatever items you're choosing and the price, and then try to total it. And if you don't spend it all, or even if you do, and even if you go over, just stick it back under your clothespin, and that's what I'm carrying over. And, you know, we'll see how that goes.
Okay. All right. Now, one question on, like, where Bruce and myself, because we actually are putting in 8 hours.
Yeah, we're gonna do the bonus bunny bucks too.
Oh, okay.
We haven't done it yet because first we want to see like if
how
everybody comes out
works.
80 a week, which we've never done.
Okay.
How does that work? But definitely we want to reward people.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Well, then let me put these here now. So, is there anything that our group needs to harvest today? I guess I should find out from Val. It doesn't look like it. She was going to bring in.
Actually,
did she bring over the
wrote a
cucumber
note.
and the squash?
Yeah, she brought the cucumbers over. There weren't many squash.
Okay. Now, yeah. See, now there's no price on that. No price on the beans.
Up here.
Okay.
Everything's up here. We're moving these prices onto the bins.
Okay. Gotcha. All right.
And there's some on that board too. We got
Bunny bucks, notes, and
I
comments.
got to change some of this because this like
Need calculator, sweaters, eraser, tape, index cards, permanent marker. Where is the light switch outside?
Alright,
This is
okay.
okay.
So there's more on that board. We're gonna fix this now.
Okay.
Yeah, like carrots, right? Exactly. So we need to write that. Let's do that.
Carrots on board.
So like now I'm out of room, so I gotta put them over here.
So you say you write on your thing what you buy.
So here, let's put carrots.
250.
Yeah, $2.50 a bunch. And that's kind of based on supply as much as anything else.
Wow, we got the turnips, huh?
The turnips will last like a year now.
That's great.
That's why like in Little House on the Prairie, you know, they would plant them and they'd eat them all winter and all summer and whatever till the next planting, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want a sweater, that is an extra sweater down there that you can borrow.
Oh, really? Okay.
I wrote it down as a joke. I mean, you do need one.
Yeah.
But she actually took me seriously and brought one in.
Aww. A shopping sweater.
Yeah, right? Yeah. Yeah, you gotta like hold your breath and run in here and do your shopping.
Think, how can I think?
No, it would be great if we could leave that door open, but.
No.
Okay, yeah.
So I need to go back and see if there's any more work.
All right, yeah, so the lettuce mix, we'll get that done. Let's
But
go
I'm
back.
sure there's still a lot of people that don't know.
Whose bag is this? Okay, and that was our cooler experience. Yeah, make sure that light switch is off and the door is all the way shut, which you did. Let's see, I'll help you.
Well,
Beans
I can put them in
and
if there
Snoopy's,
have
not
bins
too many.
already.
Yeah, actually, there's bins in there and they have words on them that say the vegetable names, and just stick them in there. Except, we are trying to do a thing, you know, where the oldest stuff gets eaten first. So maybe we need to start dating the cards somehow and having them.
Well, they're not individually bagged? Like,
The snow piece?
well, different things probably should be bagged so you know how much to take. Well, no, because you say by the pound, right? That way you can.
No, but I mean just to say, like, as far as which harvest, the date of the harvest, so we use the older date.
Right. But I'm saying if you put them in like a pound bag,
Oh.
you can put the date on each little bag.
Right,
Tell
right,
everybody
right.
Buy oldest first.
That's a good idea. We really hadn't used the bags for anything other than the lettuce yet, but maybe we should start with something like that. Yeah. All right, let me go mention that to her. So for now, you can just stick them in there, I guess.
Okay, and the stuff that we use bunny bucks is only what's in the cooler, right? Not in the store.
Not in the store, but in the field. If it's not in the cooler and you want it, you can go get it in the field.
But account for it on.
Yeah, but write it on your slip, your coupon.
You'd have to look and see what the price is. It's cold in there.
Yes.
Yeah.
So don't just leave them in the buckets for now. Let me just find out how she wants to do that with you. As of December 23rd, cabbage, kale, lettuce, broccoli, So, Valerie, on the purple beans and the snow peas, how do you want to like show which ones were older that we should eat first? Should we label a bin, or Sherry had a suggestion that maybe even we do bag things by the pound and we date the bag. I don't know. Or we could label the bin and say from harvested on this day.
Well, those type of things, I don't think it's going to be an issue because there's none in the.
Okay.
Right now, we're taking them as fast as they
Okay.
go in. So
All right. So
you
she
only
can
have
just
to do
mix
that
those all together with.
basically, you know, like the lettuce mix and that type of stuff. We need to do put, like we have 13 bags in there, but
Date the
it's only
bags?
a day old, so
Yeah. Right.
it's not that old.
So also, should we bag things that are like beans by the bag them, or just let them take them loose, stick them in their basket loose?
It's up to you. It's just more labor.
Right. Well, no, it's not that we have to actually bag it, but I mean, should we have bags available for?
Well, that's where I put that little trash bag.
Oh, you put in the cooler? Oh, okay.
Not in the cooler. I bought that recently.
Unfortunately,
Some of this for heads because these are getting really large. If somebody wants just some plain butter lettuce.
Oh yeah, I would.
Something like that. Mature like that, but then you throw them in the pump thing there, and we'll just harvest that as a head. Cindy, did you see what I did? Don't just cut like that. That we let it mix at this point.
Oh, you pulled it out.
Well, just cut that. But if you're cutting per head, you got to go down and cut right at the ground.
Okay, like this.
Yeah.
But you shouldn't pull them.
You can pull them and cut it. Really, for this, you can pull. If you're doing it for head, you can pull it and then cut it to the
How many of the full heads do you want?
Well, just look through here. Just pick the ones that look like they're mature, like this one.
Okay.
Well, there's a bunch of them together, so it really isn't. But like this one.
We're getting heads of butter lettuce now, just so we can take something plain.
How about something like that?
And see, that's romaine there.
Oh, it's a different kind. Okay.
Yeah. And I got a bunch already harvested over there.
Yeah. So just pull the whole thing out and then cut the root off. Just rip it out of the ground. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, there's a lot of red.
Yeah, but it's a different kind of red.
Yes, I see. It's what?
You have to do a lot.
So washing is really more labor intensive than harvesting.
I'm sorry?
Washing is more labor intensive than harvesting.
Yeah,
You gotta do it 3 times.
It's just you gotta just kind of get used to it. You just randomly come going through, right? Now, say you want to cut lettuce like a goat each.
How's that?
The example.
Oh, okay.
Little bit. They're constantly moving, sampling different weeds, different.
Well, they must know if they want to keep it coming back, they can't eat it all in one area.
Well, that and I think it's just their body saying too. Intuitively. Kind of neat in a way.
Maybe their palate says, oh, I want a little taste of this and a little taste of that.
Exactly, And I know there's some different kinds down there that we did.
About herbs, I know that you had talked at the early stages about maybe doing herbs. Will we be able to also have herbs that we would be able to buy?
Like basil and stuff?
Yeah, basil, oregano.
Yeah, we haven't harvested basil.
We got a bunch of herbs planted up there.
Like the basil, we haven't really.
Okay. Yeah.
We did just plant some cilantro. I noticed is there, right?
Cilantro, I did plant basil and some of that's coming up. Parsley in.
Okay. Yeah, that would be good.
Yeah, but is all the basil gone that was out here? Yeah, it was all going to flower. It wasn't getting eaten.
I know there were a couple of them in here.
Yeah, I mean, because even if we took like whole plants, then we could just keep, plant a whole plant if it got to the point that supposedly if we needed to get rid of some, sell the whole plant, and then we can just keep working on it too.
If you got to do it on the other end, it gets wet.
Yeah, everything's priced in there.
Isn't, I mean, even right when we're harvesting now, or is
Yep.
this ready?
8-ounce bag.
Trying to do both things. $15.
Yeah, most people, there's only a few really that are using their whole weekly allotment.
You're getting value. Now things that we're going to spend on, price is going to be up there.
Based on supply and demand.
It's going to be the same with, if I have to buy 2 times a year. Okay, we just don't have much. How much do you really want? I could buy a lot more turnips for my money.
So now did we find that we didn't use as many turnips as we planted, so we may not plant as many turnips next year?
No, those are good for a year now.
So they're just sitting there?
Yep.
Okay.
They're root crops. So,
Gotcha.
we just figured, what we decided to do as opposed to doing multiple plantings of it, we just plant them and get it pulled out.
And they'll be good for a year.
Okay, and they stay in the cooler. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, let's get that stuff washed up.
When I went to Mark's house and looked at what everybody wanted, I thought that would give us a ratio of how much to plant.
Yeah.
The greatest amount of people I want tomatoes,
We've got over 500 tomato plants planted. Yeah, there's 1,500 of those.
I think we got plenty of them. If we learned that, that we had no disaster, that we got a lot of, and that's actually a lot of random. So there's lots of tomato trees.
That's what he's doing.
Next shift right now,
Staking. That's good.
So we're going to do that, and we're going to be, like I said, we're going to be thinning down and then transplanting like we did right here.
Okay.
Cabbages, collards, broccoli, probably kale, all that stuff. We're a little limited on how much we have planted in spaces, but if you spread it out, it's actually a lot of product.
But I got the tomatoes growing there.
Yeah, there's some cherries that are growing there.
Do you need stuff out of that?
Doc is in heaven.
Yeah, he's a great dog.
Oh, he is just
He's
a love.
clean and
He is a
neat
love.
and smart.
And he doesn't bark.
Yeah, there, I didn't even notice that.
Unlike our dog. Hey Val, what did you do with the basket that we had brought the cucumbers? At
Oh,
the,
it's right there at the end.
Oh,
No,
okay.
no, I put it right there at the table.
Okay, all right.
Is that your basket though?
This probably is.
That's the one. I brought it back.
Perfect, thanks.
How do you do those scales in there?
Oh, okay. We'll have to show you that one. I couldn't.
Yeah, I know. I had
We-
to take it
yeah.
inside the store and use that
So,
go back to market.
Okay. First of all, clean these sinks out.
that one you're out the way. You don't have to duck because I'm filming you.
What?
You don't have to duck. But you might want to take your sunglasses off.
I
Right?
can't see.
Oh,
I can see up close.
all right. So I'll
The
just
Swiss chard was
here. Here.
$1.50.
But let's see. Right
That's
on the
hilarious.
back here, $100. And then it's also up there, you know.
Okay.
Actually, see, that's a bunch of Swiss chard. That's different than the baby Swiss chard, which is $3 for a pre-wash bag. Which you're right, what it said, $1.50 there, but I'm just noticing that that's not on here. I wonder if that's going to confuse people.
I'm gonna get a little more of these. Now what am I getting at? Well, the kids were wanting some beets to color their icing. We don't do artificial colors.
Oh, the beets. Do you see any
Use a
beets?
little bit of beet.
Wow,
yeah.
they already
You
have
can use
beets.
a little bit of beet juice
Look at that. I have that over there. It's coming soon. I gotta erase that.
as a coloring agent.
Yeah, that is very staining.
Yep.
We don't even have beets over here. Okay.
That'll be $3.
Yep.
Trying sunflower sprouts.
Oh.
Dog out.
That's like, did you hear what I said? I've been collecting those tomato containers. And I'll put that in an email, really. Anybody who wants sprouts, I'll tell them to bring a container. I don't know. Start collecting their containers.
For what? Sprouts?
Like those little cherry tomato containers, you know, then they can just take that little container home. We'll see.
Right.
What's your experiment? To see if the sunflower
Well,
sprouts
these are
grow?
sunflower sprouts. I'm gonna let them, although I look like the little hens went in here.
Yeah, I try to keep her out of there.
So this is all wheatgrass though, no more barley grass?
Yeah, it's all wheatgrass. I don't have the right barley seed.
Wow.
I ordered some barley seed and they sent me the wrong one. I ended up not getting a regular hull, or I got a hull, which doesn't work as well. So this is all wheatgrass.
And what are all those plants behind you in the pots?
Oh, that's passion fruit.
Oh,
They were in the smaller ones. I transplanted them because it seemed like we weren't getting to our project. I didn't want them to die. Waiting for
nope, Cape End.
our arbor.